Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to use the MKT calculation module from ExpressThermo for Windows 10. Note that this is an add-on module, which is available through purchase. To check if your adapter has this module active, you should open the Modules Manager from the main menu. If you have already purchased the module, it will be marked Activated. If you wish to activate the module, you can do it through the Windows Store or by sending us a purchase order. This module is used to calculate the mean kinetic temperature, also known as MKT. Generally speaking, MKT is a calculated fixed temperature that simulates the effects of temperature variations in a product over a period of time. It is widely used in transport and storage of pharmaceuticals. The calculation will show whether a product has exceeded the storage conditions, or the storage, handling, transportation, etc. affected the product's lifetime. This calculation requires some parameters. ExpressThermo allows you to save profiles so you can use them recurrently, without having to introduce the necessary input values every time. Press the MKT profile button from the main menu. Note that to be able to save the profiles, you must have previously set their folder. See our ExpressThermo settings tutorial for instructions on how to do it. On the left side of this editor, you will see the list of all saved MKT profiles, if any. Right below, you'll find buttons that allow you to add, edit, and delete a profile. Let's see one of these profiles in detail. Just select a profile. Click Edit, and the corresponding information appears on the right side. We see the profile's name, the moving average interval, which indicates the sampling interval, last n periods, indicating the number of periods to be considered, and the activation energy, appropriate to the product in analysis. Based on these parameters, ExpressThermo will calculate the value of MKT. Pressing the Save button will make your changes effective and saved in the Profiles file. Once you have saved your profiles, you can use them on the main page. Let's see how. You can download a logger or open a file with the temperature log data. In this example, we will open a file. Just press the Compute MKT button on the command bar and choose the desired profile for the calculation to take place. You can find more detailed information about the process in the Statistics tab. This concludes the tutorial on the optional MKT calculation module. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.